Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial. So as of the previous video, we have the Google Go programming overview. So let's have a review a little bit. So Go is a general purpose language designed with systems programming in mind. It was initially developed at Google in the year 2007 by Robert Risimer, Rube Pike, and Ken Thompson. So it is a strongly and statically typed programming language. It provides inbuilt support for garbage collection and supports concurrent programming, in which most of us uh, would love to have in every programming languages. So for the Go environment setup, you can go ahead and go to the Golang web page, which is golang.org. So this is their website, and just download the latest release, stable release for your uh, and then yeah, just install it, and then that's it. You can start coding in Golang, and as well as you need to have the Visual Studio Code or any uh, coding text editor that you have, Sublime Text, anyone that anything that you prefer to have, but I suggest or recommended to have it in Studio Code, since many of the extensions, or basically the Visual Studio Code itself, supported the Golang um, ex- programming. So let's go with the program structure. So basically, this is the basic program structure. Here you can see the package, and then the import or the library, and then the function main. So let's discuss this briefly first. So in the first line, wherein the package main is declared, it defines the package name in which this program should lie. It is a mandatory statement as Go programs run in packages. So basically, in every Go classes, package must be explicitly defined, especially the main, wherein is the main entry for any Golang applications. So next line, which is the import FMT or font, this is a preprocessor command which tells the Go compiler to include the files lying in the package FMT. So this is basically a standard library wherein it is used primarily in Go uh, whenever you have something to print in the console. So which you see on the line 8, this one. So the next line, function main, is the main function where the program execution begins. So in any Golang applications, only one function main could be seen, and the other Go classes should be imported, as well as should be imported or implemented here inside the function main. So if you have two Go classes, and then you run a command like uh, a command to execute your applications, you need to explicitly um, run it um, uh, differently, since you have two files which you have declared as package main. So if you have two files in the same directory with the package main, you need to explicitly uh, call and run the program differently. So if you have main.go, or and the other one is query.go, you need to execute in the command go run main.go and then go run that query. So in order to for you to understand what I'm saying is, we can go ahead and create that file. Take- So package main, and then you import fmt. Then we have func main, and then fmt that print line hello world. See? And then for example, you have query.go, and then you have package main, and then you have also here func main and like hello world. Okay, you see, um this file, it already detected in the Visual Studio Code that this function is already been redeclared. So for example, you run go run main.go. So let's have a main.go. This one should query.go. So you can see that the default one, it should be called because we have the go run main.go query.go. So basically, the function main is the main entry of the application. So for example, you decided to have the main entry as main.go, then only the main.go should have the function main, and the other file should not be called as func main. So for example, this is query. We're going to call this in here. So here, you can see that we have only one main entry, which is in the main.go define query. 19 interface. Let's have build it first, and then go learn that xe. You see, um, it got error because of you need to initialize the mode first whenever you have a code for Golang. But right now, we are just simply building it, but still, it will have the same uh, functionality that we wanted to. So here we print the function main.go hello world, and then the next one we call the function from the other Go class. So this is the one. So as you can see, whenever the package is the same, it in the Go lang or the Go programming, it treats it as the same file. So for example, here in main.go, query.go, so it's just the same if we have it this way, wherein it is internally in the same file in the main.go, as well as if we separate it. It's just that in the separate file, it will also have imported the standard library that is being implemented in that function. So yeah. So first, this is not the proper one if you wanted to have um or start a Golang project. So first is you need to declare uh the name of your service. So you need to type on the command in the terminal go mode init, and then the name of your service, for example, go basics. So here in the go basic go dot mode, it will initialize our Golang project or Golang application. Here it entails us that what version should our application be, and then the module or the name of the service. So let's have touch main.go. So here you can have package main, then func main, and then serve empty mint line hello world. So here is the basic program structure of the Golang. So for the next video, we can have the data types. So that's it for this video. Thank you and see you in the next video.